module. This is a sensor kit. We're going to use this to make our new project. This is light blocking sensor, in which we have 3 pins: the negative, positive, and then the signal pin. And into the board we have this sensor. There is a space between this plastic, so we can insert something in between to work with this module. And at the back we have the resistor, 2 resistor SMD type, R1, R2, which is 103 and 331. 103, 331. We can use this to turn on and off this LED. That is our main objective, to use this blocking sensor to turn on and off this homemade LED. 10mm LED with resistor and 2 pins. You can see here, this is homemade. I made it from my previous project. The project, the sensor and then the LED connected together by jumper wires and the breadboard. We're going to use this power bank to provide the supply to our project. This is 5 volts with the use of USB to 2-pin wire. Let us test the circuit. Okay, turn on the power, and then if we have any obstacle in between, let us okay, how about a piece of paper? When we inserted the piece of paper in between, we're turning on the LED. you can see here, it turns on the LED. So the sensor is working whenever there is we inserted a certain we insert an object in between the plastic. In figure 1, we have the circuit, light blocking sensor circuit. So this is the circuit diagram. This is the sensor. It has 3 pins, negative, positive, then signal. So there is a space between the two plastic. Let us see that. So there's a space there. And then the negative is connected to the ground or to the negative of the battery. Okay, then positive to positive. We are using 5-volt supply or the power bank to the circuit and to the signal pin 150 ohms with the LED red is connected then to the ground. The cathode connected to the ground. Anode resistor, which is this one. So this is also a sort of module. So when there is no obstacle, as is, current flows to the sensor then to the ground. From these 5 volts and then to the ground. But when we inserted a certain object in between, for example, a piece of paper, or any solid object, paper, current now flows into the LED from the battery. It will now connect to the LED. So there is now a circuit. Whenever there is something we have in between the two plastic, or we're going to insert any solid object between the two plastic, the current flows into the circuit. It now becomes a circuit, a closed circuit, and LED turns on. So it is on whenever there is a something we have in between the plastics. But if we release that or we take out the object, LED turns off. So it will turn on whenever there is a piece of solid object.